Good morning. It's Monday, November 22nd. I'm Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar. I have my Emini chart set up here with the numbers that I've calculated based on the previous several days of trading, and I get this from several sources, Taylor Book Method being one of them. And I just want to give you a little bit of a rundown of what you're looking at here. I have a trading zone marked out on my chart with the resistance at 47.15, support at 46.89, and I have a horizontal line here at the last close of 46.93.75. Now, futures are trading right here at just at the top of our resistance line at 47.15, and as you know, if you've seen my videos, or better yet, if you're a student in my Emini trading course, you know that I set up my chart this way each day. Many times I put a representation of the previous day price action. I draw a candle here. I'm not going to do it today. But prices are trading up here, futures, and I start the day looking at the news and the economic calendar. Now the news today, now of course there's no overnight trading on the weekend, but the Dow futures, S&P, NASDAQ, everything is up. NASDAQ broke 16,000 for the first time just recently. And everything is very positive looking. Futures up, S&P futures up 16. The economic calendar, well, on Monday, November 22nd, there's no news that's going to be market moving that I see. Existing home sales in Chicago Fed. Now looking back at our chart, it's just about a half an hour, 20 minutes or so before the market opens. And I am going to see what happens. Of course, this is my calculated resistance line. And the gap play is down here. And as you know, gaps close 75% of the time. So although prices are trading up here, I'm going to stand by in this video. And when the market opens, I'm going to go back to this video. I'm going to pause it now, and I'm going to see what the market does at the open. I'm going to wait a bit and then see if it shows its true face. One of the important things that we want to consider when we're trading is, where do prices trade in relation to our targets? Now remember, I have these trading zones and buy and sell envelopes set up on my chart as targets, and these are areas that are likely areas where the market could trade based on calculations that have been historically accurate, more so than not. Well, even though it was a Monday, I was contemplating the gap trade, and there was an announcement that I didn't hear about relative to President Biden nominating Jerome Powell again to head the Federal Reserve. So that propelled the market up. It wasn't going in the direction of any of my targets, so I basically just held off. I know it was a Monday, and Monday is good for the upside, but still in all, I like trading based on my targets. So when the market topped out, came down here about, 12 points. And so I jumped on here for the symmetry play for another 12 points with several contracts, and I'm good for 52 ticks. What was that? So this is a micro E-mini. So if you're trading the micro E-mini, you would have made 50 plus ticks. I did well today, in spite of the fact that I didn't get on at the beginning. I was patient. I waited. The market topped out. It went up solely because of the Monday, but I didn't really think it opened up right at the top, way above the previous close. So looks like it's going to close the gap. How do you like that? At any rate, this is Marv Eisen for Timeless Dollar. If you're looking for some tips on how to trade and you want to get these price targets, I calculate these price targets each night, and I email them to the students enrolled in my Emini trading course at timelessdollar.com. And if you enroll, you'll receive these price targets as well, and you'll be a better trader, a more knowledgeable trader for it. Anyway, Marv Eisen for Timeless Dollar. It's Monday, November 22nd. safe trading, and I'll see you on my next video. Thanks for watching.